Any website, to check your website live traffic, the option is called Google Analytics. That URL will be google.com/analytics. First, I'm explaining here. Google Analytics main goal will be check the live traffic, and check your performance and your kind of traffic. Any website will be 4 type of traffic will be there: direct, organic, referral, and social. Last one will be paid. Total 5. And most using for organic will be 4: referral, organic, direct, and social media. Social will be 2 types: paid and organic. Now sign into analytics. Each analytics account they will support by the 100 website to set up. How many? 100 website will be set up. Now selecting for website. I will show you one simple step. Once you have select the Google Analytics code, in a static website, paste the code each and every page by manual. Each and every page will be manual. For coming to dynamic website, comma header and footer will be there. You paste the code here. Maximum enter the code will be header part, not for footer. Always remember, any code will enter by header part. Done. Now analytics. So in this, select your admin option. And what is called account, create account. So just scroll down. How many account will be support total? How many account will be done? 45. So first you can select the site. Copy. In this analytic will be supported by 2 things. One is website, second will be mobile apps. I only support which one? I have only for website. After that, copy the URL. URL always select here. All the HTTP, and they will be there here. So HTTPS. Done. Suppose selecting HTTPS, the website will HTTP. They will be not support. Suppose there is a report, but you are always wrong. So always after secure, you can go for HTTPS will be select. Select your industry. In this, report area will be India. Suppose your website will be US, time zone will be change. Select Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria. So these all countries: Canada, China, Japan, all will be there. US, UK. What my currency will be here? India. So common points here: benchmarking, techniques of accounts, etc. Now click for get tracking code. Consignation based on India. Suppose your report area will be India, the condition will be yes, they will be gone. What is your country? They give the condition for their countries. These are the policies. These are the policies. If your patience is there, you can read it. These are the total options. Next one, here is the policies. Now click for I accept. Now, what is my website? First, what is my website? My website will be static. So static means I'll paste the code each and every page. I'll show you. This is a code. Select Notepad. paste it, paste here. In this is your Google Analytics ID. Always remember syntax. UA hyphen ID hyphen 1. The ID will be total 9 characters. See this one, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, and 1 will be 10. UA hyphen numeric hyphen 1. The numeric will be changed always 9 numerics. Every website, if anybody asking ID is how many characters, UA hyphen, the hyphen will be, character will be 9 after hash hyphen 1. So copy this total ID. Go for your website. How many website will be? Home, about, services, portfolio, reviews, contact. Now I only have how many pages will be there? Home page, about us. Now here, how many services? Every page update the content. So this will be static. So we'll go for here, cPanel, file manager, public underscore HTML. Now you can check the live draw purpose. Go for real time. Click for. See the guys. Once you update the code, nothing will be there. Save changes or nothing option will be there. You go for it in the real time. Click for overview. In this overview, they show for any live traffic. My website already open. Yes or no? Any showing for live traffic? You can see in this. For the my page name is the india.html edit. Where you can paste the code, always will be header. Save change. Refresh. Right now will be 0. Right now will be 0. Now refresh. I'm there home page. Right now. Analytics. What showing for? 1. Which page? Index.html. Now I'll select it. About us page. I'm going to which page? About us page. I can check. What is showing here? Now showing for 1. After a few seconds, now what is the showing here? What is my page I'm right now? About us page. Scroll down. Still what is showing page is index.html. Refresh. We're showing for index.html. About HTML will showing? No. So there is call. Select your page. Right click. Edit. Edit. Where you can paste the code? Home page of header. Select it and save change. And save change. Now refresh. I'm refreshing. First I'm checking the code. The code is active or not. How to check? Numeric is copy. Open page source. Control U. Control F. Control V. Done. Now check here. Which page? About.html. Now same. All code will be pasted. All pages. So you need patience for static website. How many pages you have? Create the all. Blog.html. Edit. edit. What is the blog.html? Blog.html, edit. We can paste the code, save changes. Right click, check for refresh. Which you are now using, blog.html. So now I can show by about HTML. Now I can change your blog.html right now here. I will check the code. Control U. What is the ID? Copy. Control F and we're showing not update. Refresh. Control F and so without updating coding, they can't show the live traffic. It's a major important point. The page is not showing the code of live traffic. That means the code is not updating for the particular page. Refresh. Now analytics showing for blog.html. So this is called check the live traffic on particular site. It's a very important particular site. Is it clear? It's a very true understanding for particular site info. You're updating for Google Analytics. Suppose you have one question is there. How can I update by the dynamic website? So any dynamic website, they're using for common header, common footer is there. They're using for common header and common footer. So in this Google Analytics, select your particular site ID, Southfield News, search your website. First I'm showing for live traffic. Why I'm open the site? Why I'm open the website? Website will be ready. Now analytics. Now I can check starting by your live traffic will be here. They're not showing live traffic. It will be not code will be active. Which page? Home page. Now I will clarify purpose. I will go for second page. I need clarify if the code is working or not. Which can go for top 10 health tips for your healthy heart. Go for it. They will change your fraction of seconds. Your home page. I will changing the URL will be here. So they are updating here this. User will open for which one? Desktop. Which one? Desktop. So any user will be open for mobile. Will get by mobile access also. So still refresh. You can see. Right now two. Two will be which one? Right now showing for home page. I will be refreshing to change the URL. The little bit transfer updating will be some issues on the web analytics, changing the issue. See this. How many words? 3. Okay. Here is that user will updating for 3 and check by your mobile here. Now I can go for refresh. To change your category based on your option. Is it clear? So this is called check the live traffic. Any dynamic website we can update by which one? Common header and common footer. The code will be same. Common header and common footer option. This is called check the any website live traffic to check the particular website option.